Hello and welcome to another episode of Squirtified Engineering. I'm Sprutis, and as of right now you know more than I do, because I don't know if this will be like a normal episode or just a short one. We will see. I arrived in the garage a bit later than I wanted to, but that's life. The front hubs, they're basically done. Just a few minor paint touch-ups. The rear ones needs to be assembled, so that's one thing that I can do. And then we sort of need to remove all the old stuff. Currently the brake discs and brake calipers are in the way, the old ones. So yeah, those needs to be somewhere else, and I need to disconnect the calipers and drain the fluid. The fluid is somewhat old, just 10 years. Yeah, so let's see what we can manage to do today. So it looks like we are attempting to install the spindle hub into the hub, and to do so, first of all I will use the outer race so that I can have something to push on this surface here, so I don't push on the studs or anything else. So that one will be lying like that, and then I will take the hub, put it over, and then I will use the old inner bearing races to push on the new inner bearing race that's already in here. I think that's the best. So before we can do that, I need to remove the tape. I need to install the backing plate. I'm not sure where I have the screws for that, or if I decided to get new ones, but I will use those two in the meantime. And I'm also not sure where the nuts are, so it's the same situation there. But the gap that we will have here is big enough so I can change out the screws that are going in here. I will also be able to change out the nuts on this side. So I won't be Loctiting anything right now. So you just saw me chase the threads, the M8 by 1.25, and these studs M 10 by 125, and these are basically finger tight. I had to persuade the backing plate a bit with plastic hammer, but we are now basically ready to install the axle hub, so that will be interesting. But before we do that, let's prepare the right hand hub in the same way. And assemble. There we go. Now we can go to the press and get the axle hubs installed. So here we have all the pieces ready to go. Left hub, left axle hub, right axle hub. We have the, first of all, these which will act as support underneath the axle hub, and then I will be pushing on the inner bearing races on the other side, just so that when I use the press I'm not using this axle to push out the inner race. So here we have two hubs. I wasn't really sure on the depth here, so I will have to look that up somehow. I guess the axle stub surface should align with the inner bearing race surface here, but I don't want to risk pushing it too far. We have made contact with the lip of the oil seal against the axle stub, so I think that's good. And the bearings, they feel really nice. So this means that we basically have 4 hubs ready, almost ready to go on the car, which is really nice. I had another look at the instructions, and it seems like the axle hub will not go all the way in, so that the small end surface aligns with the inner bearing race surface. So I think that I'm pretty much done. I will, however, double check to be on the safe side. But this is it for this episode. So thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Stay safe. Take care. Bye bye.